Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see, we do not have to enter some further settings because we've got the option connected with the quality right here. So in this kind of highlighted area with the options. So let's simply tap on the second option from the right. And as you can see, we've got the size and the frames per second options. So we've got FHD, which is currently applied. We've got also HD and UHD. So it's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use. I will choose UHD, and as you can see, it is immediately highlighted. It is also notified right here, so the icon changed slightly, and it means that your device just applied the settings, and from now on it will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.